Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to drive and look at the apartments that are being built in New Kingston. Two very large, well, a few apartment buildings are going up, but two are very large. One is called the Cambridge, and I am assuming that the Cambridge is going to be the largest apartment building in Jamaica when it's finished, just based on the size of the building. So we're going to take a look at the construction and get an update as to what's going on. Okay, so we're now on Trafalgar Road. Straight ahead on the right, that's the UCC group. It's a university in Jamaica, although the name on the building says the UCC group of companies. Very strange why they have that name, but it's a college. Yeah. Okay, above that name now you have the University of the University of the Caribbean. Okay, University of the Commonwealth Caribbean. I guess that's what UCC stands for. Okay, now straight ahead on the right, that's the Cambridge apartment buildings, and you can see the size of it. It's huge. So we're just going to pull over here and give you an idea of just how big it is. I'm sure this is going to be the largest apartment complex in Jamaica. I can't think of any other building that has this many apartments. Okay, and then behind it is another structure just as big as this one. And this is a $1 billion project, costs billions of dollars. So you find that a project of this size, it's like the actual bank that's doing it itself. So this is being done by the Guardian Group, because you're not going to find even a company or an individual being able to build something of this size. So it's a bank, the Guardian Group. Okay, now that's the Cambridge on the right. On the left now we're going to turn and look at the Hampshire. Now the Guardian Group built this one first, and it did so well that they decided to go and build an even bigger one. So this is the Hampshire. This was the one. You can see the colors are the same, but this is the one they built first. And before the construction was finished, these apartments were sold off. So that's why they're building the Cambridge now, which is probably 10 times the size of this one. Okay. So that's the Cambridge, and that's the Hampshire. The Hampshire is finished, sold everything. Now there's another one, very nice building. Okay, we're going to look at that one. And if anybody knows how much like the Cambridge is selling for, can let us know. Okay, straight ahead on the left. Okay, straight ahead on the left is a building that's being constructed, but over here on the right, I think that's the Argyle. They were built a few years ago. It's finished. But the one on the left is a very nice complex. I think it's a Vista at Braemar. I'm not 100% sure the name, but we're on Braemar Avenue. I think that's the name of it. If anybody knows if that's not the correct name, somebody can post the correct name. It's a very nice complex. Obviously not as big as the Cambridge, but very nice. This is the kind of progress you like to see in Jamaica. And these apartments are literally in New Kingston. So you know, oh, and it's like some Chinese building it. I shouldn't say that. That was very wrong. I apologize. But yeah, they're in New Kingston, so you know they're going to rent so easily, whether people buy them and rent them as Airbnbs or people buy them to move in. But Here you can see where the zinc fence is. That's another apartment building going up. But because of how popular New Kingston is, the amount of people that use it, then you know you have no problem renting them out or selling them. Because this is okay, this is a very nice view. This is the second tower, the one that was behind. So you can see it's just as big as the first one. Yeah, because the hotels that are in New Kingston are sometimes fully booked. So okay, this is another. So yeah, this is another apartment building. That's me. This one is still under construction. So this is a very good area to build these apartments. Okay, we're gonna go right so you can take a better look at the Argyle apartments. And the Argyle, just like Hampshire, is finished, and they were sold off before the project finished. Okay, so we're now going on to Musgrave Avenue, and then here you can see the Cambridge. Yeah, I'm curious as to know how much an apartment over there would cost. I'm assuming they're 1 bedroom or two, probably some one, some two. It doesn't look like, actually might have, no, it doesn't look like any penthouse or anything on the top. Yeah, if anybody knows how much they sell for, I'm most curious. But they're very nice and they're in a prime location. They will have no problem selling them. Okay, well, I still have the sign now selling, so I don't think these have been sold off, but based on the number of apartments over there, quite a lot. I'm going to double check it, but I'm almost sure that that's going to be the largest apartment building in Jamaica. The only one I can think of that might be bigger is the ones Turkle Towers in Ocharios, but that's like 5 or 6 towers, but I'm not sure which one is bigger, but I'm going to check on it. But I'm going to go out on a limb and say the Cambridge is going to be the biggest one. Alright, so we're back on Trafalgar Road, so we're just going to look at the AC Hotel now, which is just around the corner. And these hotels in New Kingston, there are no beaches. It's just like a straight, it's more for business hotels. Okay, this is the AC Hotel on the right. And they have a Starbucks over there. Alright guys, okay, on this road, straight ahead at the stoplight, if you turn left there, that's where you turn to go to all the apartment buildings. So you can see how close everything is to Knutsford Boulevard, and you know Knutsford Boulevard is like the center of New Kingston, the most popular road, etc, etc. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.